Hello, hello, hello. Today I'm going to be making jewellery cleaner because my bangles are in a state. This one's got some tarnish on it. This one sort of looks tarnished here and grotty there. It's just not clear enough. So I'm going to wash them. Start off with a bowl, foil, and a cup of boiling water. To that we add a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of bicarb, tablespoon of washing liquid. We add this to the water. Now there's a reaction that you get when the bicarb touches the foil. So I'm going to open the bangles up. They're a little bit sort of dusty inside, because usually when I put my bangles on I just wear them for ages, because taking them on and off is annoying. It takes too much effort and it's really hard trying to line this up on your own hand. So I just keep them on for as long as I can. Then they get dusty and dirty and okay. So then we leave them in here for 10 minutes, then we come back to it. While that timer is ticking, I'm going to do something else while I wait. I'm going to make a decorative bath, bubble bath sort of. It'll sit by the bath display and I'll sprinkle it into the bath when I have a bath. And it's going to contain different things. I wonder if I can water these, let's see. Not really. So here I have bath bombs that have just been broken up and now they're all different colours. Not really sure how much I'll need of each, but I'll have a play around, see how we go. Here I've got some old bubble crumble bars. These are bars you put in the bath and they make bubbles. The oil to powder ratio in this was too much oil. So it's more sort of wetter looking than usual. Very moisturising on the skin. And these had really cool names like Moonbeam and things like that. Then I've got some other clay bath bombs that I make, much like my bath bazooka recipe. These ones are a bit harder than your average bath bomb, but that makes them fizz really well. So lots of red clay in this one. I'll just go and wash my hands. Now I'm going to try and fill this with the powders. I say try because it might be fiddly. I think I'll start with the dark one at the bottom. Use a stick to poke it down. Now I want to try and get it to that line and then start with the next colour. Well, it's pretty close. It will shrink down as well, it always does. So in which case I'll just put some more. Ooh. I'll go the lighter colour next. Okay, that's how it's looking so far. Just poke it down a bit. This layer's a bit tricky because of the oils in it. Okay, that's it now. And I'll just continue to the top. This is turning out to be much more messy and more fun than I imagined. That's what it's looking like so far. So what I'm doing obviously is using the chopstick to push it down. It is getting caught along the edges, but it's still looking interesting. I just realised getting it out is going to be interesting. Still, it will look pretty sitting at the side of my bath. So there we go. I've got a little mix of bath stuff, bombs, or a clay bomb, a regular bath bomb, and crumble bar, bubble bath, crumble bar. So this will be really interesting to sprinkle in my bath and relax and enjoy the scents. So the timer has stopped ticking. I'll tidy up here a bit. Let's get them out, have a look. I can still see tarnish on there. I might be able to polish that. But overall they do look more shiny. This one's really quite shiny. And probably if I leave them there it'll get even shinier.